Are you training hard in the gym but still not losing any fat? You're not lazy, you're not broken. It's just your plan is missing something really important. And until that is missing, no matter how hard you train, the results are going to be slow. And today we'll talk about that uncomfortable truth that some people just ignore. For those who are new to the channel, my name is DUSHYANTA. I work in London as an exercise physiologist, a personal trainer and a nutritionist, and I have been working as a health and fitness professional for almost a decade now. Today I'll show you why your hard workouts are not showing on the scale and how to fix it with a simple diet plan. Without a smart diet plan, exercise alone won't give you the fat loss you want. We'll look at the facts and I'll give you a step-by-step strategy to fix it. The problem you might be having is like many busy beginners. You go to the gym and work hard, but the scale barely changes and your weight stays the same. It just feels unfair. You eat less, you sweat buckets in every workout and still no results. Why? The problem is relying on exercise without addressing your diet. Studies show that exercise interventions alone have only a small role in weight loss. In one large 20-month trial, women who did a calorie-reduced diet lost about 8.5% of their body weight, while the exercise-only group lost 2.4%. And when they combined the diet and exercise together, that got them to about 10.8% weight loss. In other words, you need to change what and how much you eat if you actually want fat loss. Exercise is great for your health and maintaining weight, but by itself, it won't make you get rid of that body fat. Many times, you get hungrier after a hard workout, you eat a bit more than usual, or you sit more and move less for the rest of the day. So the calories you burned in the workout get added back without you even noticing. This is why exercise without diet changes usually leads to almost no fat loss. First, let's clarify how weight loss works. You must burn more calories than you eat, which is called a calorie deficit. Research on this suggests that a moderate deficit is the best, eating like about 500 to 750 calories less per day. That is roughly a 20 to 25% reduction from maintenance for many people. And this creates a steady weight loss of about 0.5 to 1% of your body weight per week without extreme hunger or muscle loss. Going too fast often doesn't work because if you push yourself too hard, you lose muscle. And as soon as you stop training, this weight will come back, meaning you'll gain the weight again. So aiming for 0.5 to 1% per week is more sustainable. Now, let's talk about protein. When you lose fat, you want to keep your muscle. Research shows that eating plenty of protein is very important, especially from lean and high quality protein sources like chicken breast, turkey, whitefish, salmon, tuna, eggs, egg whites, low fat Greek yogurt. A good target is every day having about 1.6 to 2.4 grams of protein per kilogram of your body weight, and more if you're lean and more active. High protein keeps you full, protects your muscle, and actually helps you to lose fat. Another key is tracking your progress and habits. Weighing yourself weekly and measuring your waist gives you feedback on how you're doing. Surprisingly, waist circumference is a better and stronger predictor of health improvements than your BMI alone. So I would say measure both. This helps you see fat loss around the middle, even if the scale moves slowly. And in this, your consistency plays a huge role. Studies show people who regularly track their food lose much more weight than those who don't. Research found that people who achieved meaningful weight loss logged their food 2 to 3 times per day, while less successful participants logged far less frequently. In short, self-monitoring using food logs, apps, scale, measurements is linked to success in your fat loss journey. And if you're thinking like, I don't have time to track everything, here's the truth. You don't need to be perfect. 2 minutes a day is enough. Log right after you eat, or track just your protein and snacks strictly, and keep an eye on your regular meals. The key is not perfection, it is being consistent. Remember, your daily movement matters too, not just formal workouts. Adding steps, general activity can help. Research suggests that add about 2,000 steps above your current baseline and work towards getting at least 7,000 to 10,000 steps done every day. These extra steps boost your total calorie burn. Working more also helps maintain weight loss long term. What is the solution? Here's your simple action plan. 1. Moderate calorie deficit, about 500 to 750 calories less per day. Number 2. High protein, 1.6 to 2.4 grams per kilogram of your body weight daily. Eat lean meat, fish, dairy, eggs, protein shakes. Number 3. Track consistently. Use a tracking app or food log. Full tracking or hybrid approach. The key is being consistent in whatever you are doing. Number 4. Measure progress. Weigh yourself once a week. Same day, same time. Measure your waist circumference. Number 5. Move more. Add about 2,000 steps above your current baseline. Number 6. Safe pace. 0.5 to 1% body weight loss per week. Now let me show you what this actually looks like on your plate. Here's a simple diet plan you can follow. This is a high protein, high fat and low carb. It's generic, so you can can adjust portions based on your body weight and calorie needs. Breakfast, 3 whole eggs scrambled in butter, half an avocado, a handful of spinach or any leafy green vegetable. Lunch, a grilled chicken breast, salmon, about 150 to 200 grams. Mixed salad with olive oil and lemon dressing. Some cheese if you like. Snacks, if you feel like it and if you need. Greek yogurt, full fat, no sugar, or a handful of almonds or walnuts. Dinner, grilled fish or steak, about 150 to 200 grams. Roasted vegetables like broccoli, zucchini, or cauliflower cooked in olive oil. Add butter or cheese on top for extra healthy fats. Before bed, and that is optional, cottage cheese or a protein shake with water if you like. But the important things to remember are that keep your carbs under 50 grams per day. Get your proteins from quality sources at every meal. Don't be afraid of healthy fats. They keep you full and are essential for other stuff in your body. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Adjust portions to fit your calorie deficit target. This is a starting point. You can swap your foods based on what you like. Just keep the structure same. High protein, high fat, low carb. Combine this diet plan with your existing workouts, strength training and cardio. You don't have to cut out exercise. It's important for fitness and muscle retention, but treat it as the complement, not the main driver of weight loss. So all in all, if you don't eat well, unfortunately you won't see any meaningful results. Even if you exercise daily, you can do everything right in the gym, but if your plate isn't right, the scale won't move. Now you know what to do. You have the facts, you have the plan. The only thing left is start. Not next Monday, not after holidays, today. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who you think needs this. Stay consistent and remember, real change starts on your plate. See you in the next one.